You want to look like this? I know you want to look like this. I got you. Come on, come here. Come here. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is NaturallyNancy. I discuss about natural hair. I do a little bit of advice. I do my hair and other stuff you probably don't even care about. If this is your first time here, make sure you leave this video a big thumbs up. Since you are here, make sure you click the subscribe button below, like it's right there. So I'm gonna wait for you to do it. I'm gonna wait. So you're just gonna look at me and not subscribe yet? What's that? You like my lashes? Gee, thanks. It's from the Dr. Lash Art collection. Y'all should totally check her out. Like, she is the bomb.com. And her lashes are so nice, fluffy, and they come in multiple sizes. So make sure you shop the collection. And I heard she's doing 20% off, so you might want to take advantage of that. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this nice bohemian butterfly lock. Now this is day 2, and I want to show you guys how cute it looks. It's such an effortless, cute summer style. And I'm going to show you how to perfect this look. Let me show y'all this. Do y'all see this? Like, what? First time. So if you would like to see how I achieve these results, just keep on watching. It's an Amazon company called VR Hot. It is going to be 4 packs of a passion twist curl. It came with a crochet hook with the decorations, and it also came with a big black satin bonnet. Products I'll be using to achieve this are the SOFTEE castor oil. I'm going to be using the SOFTEE coconut oil, SOFTEE Indian hemp, blue magic, you know. Be using some Shining Jam, the tropical roots foam. This is like a mousse at the ending of my hair. The comb I'll be using is a Tangler comb. I'll be using a RATTAIL comb as well for party waves and the stray hairs. I'll be using some clips, about 2 or 3 of them. The first step is get your RATTAIL comb, get you a mirror. You're gonna go in front of your mirror, your bathroom mirror, and then you're gonna just stand like this. I was gonna mix my 3 creams, the coconut, the castor oil, and Indian hemp. So this is the mixture. It looks kind of as a grease on my hair, and I'm gonna also use this. So right now, this is what I got right now. Divide into 3 sections, like so, like this, baby. Then you swoop, pick it up, swoop, pick it up, and then you braid. Parts aren't meant to be perfect, but y'all get the gist. So as you guys can see, I am done with my braids. This is how it looks like. I put it up in like 2 puffs. I put it up in 2 puffs so you guys can see. This is what your hair is gonna look like before you put in your twist.
6.5 hours later.
So this is the progress on the hair. I'm gonna show you guys how to install this hair. I use about 2 spring twists per hair, 1 for attaching to my hair and 1 for wrapping. I'm gonna clip this away from my face on both sides. Get the needle and then you stick it through your braid like this. You get the hair and you fluff it. The quickest way to fluff the hair is from bottom to top. You can go like this. So you're gonna go like this, stick it through the second strand of hair and stick it through as well. The same method that you did here. Open it up and hold one piece, then it will completely just go in like this. Then pull it. Easiest way to wrap is to conceal this. Split it and then go backwards, not forward, go backwards. Go behind it and then wrap it. Wrap it twice or 3 times, then use your thumb, lift up a piece of hair, and then wrap it again. And then pick up the piece of hair, then wrap it. Continue wrapping. until you get to your desired length. So, and keep going. Use your finger, lift off a piece, and then use your other finger, pick it up, a butterfly wing, and then you're gonna keep wrapping. You know, repeat the steps over and over, and I guarantee you, you'll get it. Not too much though, we don't want it to look too crazy. Then you just wrap it all the way down. Y'all see the little messy look that I'm going for? Take off a piece from the hair. If your hair is running out, take another piece, connect it, and keep going. You know. So keep doing that and lift it up, and then you keep going. And let me show you guys one more time. Get your crochet needle, open it up. This side should be going into your hair like this. Put it in between and then scoot it up. Slide it in flat and then move it up so the pointy side is facing the ceiling. Twist hair that's already fluffed out. I fluffed this out, and like I said, the easiest way is to get the spring and then just get the spring twist and just put your finger through it like this. Like this, you know. So this is gonna go in here like this. Stick it through. Grab one piece of this, one piece of your hair, and then grab another piece of this, right? You're gonna pull it out, you see? Pull it all the way out. Your hair should be able to do this. You see how long this is? This is supposed to be 8 inches, but this goes all the way to my hip. So it's very, very long. Okay? Spring twist we're gonna use this way, not this way, not this way, going this way, going towards the left. Stick it under like we did the first one. You know, see, like this, and it's going up. And then we're gonna put it on there. Then we're gonna hook it. Then we're gonna pull it through and grab one piece of the hair and grab this as well. Remove it from our hook, and then we're gonna pull it through. Just like that. And y'all can see that my hair is ombre. You can't even tell that my hair is ombre. My hair looks like it's completely black. Then you're gonna grab a piece to wrap, and you're gonna make sure that you intertwine your hair, your natural hair and the extension together so that it does not show. We're gonna wrap on top. Get your finger and get a piece of the hair, pull it out, and then wrap under it, under your finger. As you're wrapping under your finger, lift up the hair, this hair right here, lift it up, and get that same piece and keep going. That's how you create the butterfly. But not least, to seal off the hair, you're gonna this is the ends, you're just gonna flip it like this, flip it up, and then twist a little bit, and then extend the hair like this, then go up, wrap it up tightly. Remember, as you're wrapping up, do your butterfly method again, put it in front of your thumb, lift it up, and then you keep twisting it. And we twist it after we lift it up so it can secure the butterfly. Okay. And then yeah, and you tie it with a knot. Tie it about 2 to 3 times, and your hair is not going anywhere. congrats, you're finished. You're gonna get your mousse, put it on your, there's 2 or 3 pumps on your hair to seal everything into place. This is very painless, very light, and easy protective style for the summer, winter, any occasion really. If you guys have any more questions or anything, make sure that you comment it down below and I will gladly respond to all the questions that you guys have. And make sure that you give this video a very big thumbs up and you also subscribe and share as well. And I will see you guys in my next video.